Good medical morning. Today we're going to take a look at ingrown hair. Let's look at a few examples. YouTube seems to delete a lot of ingrown hair videos for a lack of educational merit and because they're less commercial friendly. So please leave a comment below with your opinion on that policy. What is an ingrown hair? An ingrown hair occurs when the hair strand grows downward instead of upward and becomes trapped under the skin. Healthline.com says an ingrown hair can turn into a cyst, which can be a small, painless lump or a large, infected growth. One way to remove ingrown hair is with a lancet. In a moment, we'll show you a great comedone extraction kit that includes a lancet for just such activities. Nice! Don't forget to check out our favorite Pimple Popper Kit. This beautiful 7-piece set is available on Amazon to make popping pimples a pleasure. It has a lancet for big whiteheads and cysts, a spade for dilated pores and corners, the cone extractor for thick blackheads, and loops of various sizes. You'll be able to pop any pimple in the house. This kit has everything you need to start popping like a pro. Each one has been hand inspected for quality, and the case keeps them stylish and discreet. Don't be fooled by cheap knockoffs, many of which use similar online pictures but are just low-end replicas. Pick up this professional kit by using the Amazon link below. Thanks for watching.